Hello guys, gusto nyo bang maglaro ng Call of Duty sa Dolphin Emulator? Ito na ang pinakamalakas na setting guys. Sundin nyo lang ang setting ko guys. Smooth, very smooth and no lag. Sundin nyo lang ito guys, oh. May arrow naman eh. Diyan. Pulse 2 times. Color. Yun mang color space on. Color correction. Tapos graphics modes. Yan, i-open mo yan. Device setting. Extension. Yan, Call of Duty. Try mo. Very smooth guys. See? Napakagaling guys. Tingnan nyo dito guys. Panoorin nyo guys. Tapos maggawa niya ako ng video na paano mag-download ng Call of Duty sa ano. Yan.
All friendly call signs. We are no longer.
Ay guys, panoorin nyo yan guys. Thank you.
Solid.
Yuri, over here! We need to get soap to the chopper!
What is that?
Right! Do whatever this man says! Yuri, take position on the balcony! We need to buy the doctor some time! Keep your eyes on the courtyard! We need to hold off until we can move soap! Yuri, get over here! Give him the shot! I got him! Yuri, over here!